Hello guys, Alexandrus here, back to you with another video, very special one. First of all, I really apologize for my voice, if it's a little bit different, but unfortunately I'm a bit sick and I might sound a little bit different, but I think it doesn't matter that much because I have very special thing for you today. It's another smart contract, and as you may see by the title, I called the video something like Better Etherchain or something like that. And yeah, just so you know, I will be actually investing into this. Just let me connect my account. I will be putting in 0.6, maybe 0.60 something ETH into here. So yeah, I'm also going to be in this, okay? So it's not like I'm advertising them and I just want to get some referral commissions. Obviously, I can get them. That's how you make the money, obviously, on such projects as well. But being a normal guy, not even referring people, you have still good potential to make some money in Ethereum. Instead of just holding it in your wallet, you can let that Ethereum work for itself. Still, remember that you always invest at your own responsibility. And just before I go in, we will go through the website, we will compare it to the Etherchain, and then there is also a PDF file. Which is some sort of a presentation. So yeah, the design of the website, I think it's kind of cool. I mean, it's very simple, but that's how you should keep those designs, I think. Majority of the people just want simple UI, where they know how everything works, where they know how to deposit, withdraw, etc., etc. So yeah, this definitely suits my style as well. So yeah, the contract is called Interstellars ENSS tokens. The first staking compound gain DeFi model, redefined DeFi. It's 100% open source. You can verify that on Etherchain, obviously. I mean, on the Etherscan. So yeah, it's 100% open source. Total 100,000 ENSS naturally deflationary token. Mining difficulty will be increased linearly. Daily 1 to 1.5%, and that's what's a lot better than Etherchain. We'll get into that. 2 levels direct commission, 10 levels matching bonus, daily top 8 sponsors, another cool thing to mention. More to come, but yeah, also they don't have any sort of pre-mine, so administrators make money as we do, so they can just invest ETH and then get the gains from 1 to 1.5%, so they are just a normal users, they just have the website. Obviously, if the site will by any chance go down, which I doubt it will, because they will probably have some backup sites as well, you can still interact with contract. So you just go to the contract here, write contract, you just connect your MetaMask wallet, and you can just click withdraw. And yeah, it's easy as that. You can just interact with it, even if there would be something wrong with the site. First withdrawal was tested, so from what I can see, it could have been a referral fee, 0.02 ETH. And here are the upcoming or incoming transactions, maybe. 31 ETH, it just started like 3 hours ago, so it's pretty fresh thing. Yeah, just 3 hours live. There is also 3 pending transactions from 3 different wallets. So yeah, as you might know, the Ethereum network is a bit overloaded now. So these are also going in. What else? They also have contract, how do you call it? Contract. Yeah, just contract for the token. It's called ENSS, as you can see. I can refresh that. There is 39 coins so far minted, and you can also track this somewhere in here. Yeah, total mined ENSS 37.89, and here is the mining difficulty. You have all those contracts addresses. Then, if your staking is equal or crossing the Inger of every 1000 ETH, 2000 ETH, you will get 50% of the lucky pool, and there is this thing called Lucky Star as well. And here we have the most interesting part. So, comparing it to the Etherchain really quickly, okay? Yeah, obviously, in Etherchain we have this 12,000, I believe. Yeah, 12,000 ETH in the contract, okay? It's paying. Obviously, it is paying, but they give you 1% every day until you hit, I believe, 300% ROI. I'm not particularly sure. Personally, I'm not into the Etherchain. I just want to go into those new things and just be eventually with you. If I record those sites, then I also want to be in, as my viewers are. But yeah, they give you 1%, right? And they don't have any like special features such this Lucky Star bonus or the token. So yeah. And here Okay, you can have 1%, then you withdraw every single day. But if you decide to go for 1.5%, which I will go for, you can withdraw every you can withdraw every 6 days, but it's 1.5% daily, okay? So, if you are not in rush, if you don't need this ETH being sent out to you every single day, you can go for 6 days and you can have 0.5% more. I think it's kind of cool. So yeah, we will do the 1.5% thing. I wonder if I should do it right now. Yeah, let's do it right now, actually. Let me double check how much I have. 0.68. Okay, let's do 0.63. I need to have some leftovers for the gas, which is quite high. Wow, that's actually really high. Will that be enough? I don't think it will. 0.68. Let's go with 0.61 maybe. It's kind of pain that I need to pay 13 bucks for the gas, but yeah, whatever. I'm in, as you can see, guys. I'm in. 0.6 ETH is right now something around 180 bucks, something like that. I think it's kind of cool. Yeah, 210 USD. That's what I'm in with, and we'll see how reliable this thing actually is. Here you have statistics, 30 ETH in the contract, amount withdrawn 0.02. I think it was referral fee, I'm not sure obviously. And here you have the lucky pool from this lucky star thingy. It's already 0.92 ETH. Sponsor pool 1.53 ETH. Here you have your personal information, so how much you stake, what are your daily dividends, and the dividend limit is 250%. So after you hit 250%, then you can just open a new staking. Here is your team statistic. If you invite some partners, it will pop up here, and your referral link as well. Pretty simple to understand, pretty easy to understand. I think I need to refresh that, so it will show up right there. Of course it does. And as you can see, I have 0.91 ENSS token right now. So yeah, I also have the token. As you can see, there is one more mined. That's because of me, guys. So it's kind of cool. I raised the lucky pool and the sponsor pool as well. So this thing is working perfectly fine. And I think it's 3% per referral, but let me see the presentation as well. So let's go through that really quick. Here you have explained what it is, how it works, what is smart contract, so some basic stuff, the name, the ENSS token. So as you can see, ENSS is the core token in Interstellar's ecosystem. ENSS is a fully decentralized token. There is a total supply of 100,000. It is dependent on the staking amount and pool that you have chosen. After mining 20,000 ENSS, ENSS.finance will connect ETH to ENSS balancer pool and mining pool will be opened. After mining 30,000 tokens, ENSS will be on Uniswap and obviously it will be the same pair. Liquidity will be provided. After 50,000 ENSS tokens, ENSS will search the possibility to be listed on CEX like Coinbase, Huobi and OKEx, which I also have a video on, so that would be cool if they can list on OKEx, but we will see how it goes. Some more things about the token. So it could be really good if you can get some of those, because 100,000 is a very limited supply, and these have potential to be even like 20, 30, 50, maybe even more bucks per one token. So who knows? Maybe we'll make a bug on it. Yeah, we have the rewards on staking. So yeah, easy as that. If you choose the wait 1 second. If you choose the pool 1, then you will be making 1%. That will take you 250 days to complete the 250% cycle, of course. 1.5%, it will be less. I'm bad with maths, so I'm not even going to try to calculate that. There is the anti-whale system, obviously, because yeah, you can withdraw every 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. The only possibility this thing will not pay is if all the people would withdraw at once. And it's practically impossible, I would say. Yeah, you can verify the contract code. You can check if there is any backdoor. And yeah, it's 100% safe, it's 100% open source, you can check everything. Administrator has no rights to integrate with the contract. in terms of like withdrawing the ETH from it. So it's simply very similar to Etherchain, but definitely better because they also have their own token, which has a lot of potential to be worth huge in the next few weeks, maybe months, maybe even years. Who knows how long it will take them to develop, but I see a lot of potential in this thing. Here you have the matching bonuses for the referral levels. That's how it works: 20, 10, 7, 7, 7, then 3%. Also, you have top 8 sponsor bonus. 5% of all the deposits to Interstellars is added to the daily top 8 bonus pool. 10% of this pool is awarded to the top 8 sponsors based on direct referral volume every day. The remaining 90% is then rolled over into the next day's pools to continue the increase of the rewards. Super bonus, sponsor milestone, 3 ETH super bonus will be allocated for every 100 ETH direct referral volume. So, if your partners will invest 400 ETH, then you will get 3, 6, 9, 12 ETH in total. So it's a nice little bonus. There is also this thing called Lucky Star. And yeah, basically by referring you can make a lot of money. Simply by just staking the ETH in this thing you can make a lot of money as well. And I'm looking very forward to that. I'm in. You can guys let me know in the comment section if you will be in as well. And yeah, this is also my 250% dividend limit, so that's what I will earn from 0.61 ETH to 1.50 ETH. Stonks, if you ask me. And there is also the potential of ETH going up, especially when the ETH 2.0 will be released, etc., and with the DeFi potential. So yeah, definitely cool thing to consider. The link will be in the description, guys. The link will be in the description, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that you still invest at your own responsibility, but this thing is looking promising in my opinion. So don't miss out on this. It's still early. It's just day 1 of this thing being live. It's like 5 hours into it when you are watching this video where I posted it. Yeah, I'm done for today. My voice will probably go out after rendering this video, but I'm fine. I just wanted to quickly make a video about it for you, and I hope you will appreciate it with a little like under this button. And if you are not subscribing to my channel, then please consider doing it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next videos coming out soon.